How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. Let us open our Instagram application first and go straight to the profile. Click on the three lines that you see on the top right of your screen and then on the settings. In settings, you will see an option for privacy. Click on that and then on story. You will see an option for hide your story. Click on that. The only method to add highlights without adding a story is this as of now. So if you have a lot of friends on your Instagram, this might be a hassle for you. Go ahead and hide all your friends and no one will be able to view your story. Now go to the interface where you can add a story from and add your story. Go to Profile again and click on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see an option for Archive. You will see all your archived stories here. Click on the picture that you want to add as highlight and you will see the option for highlight there in the bottom. Click on that, name your highlight and click on add. Now, if you go to profile, you can see the story is added to highlights. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.